What is going on, you guys? Your boy Ozzy here, back with another video. Excuse me, I'm eating right here. Eating before I meet because we're running late. But hope you guys are having a beautiful day as always. Today we're gonna hit up Based, but it's gonna be not in Orange County like normal. We're hitting, I think, the Valley. What is that considered over there?
Well, this is LA meat, but it's like deep in LA.
No, yeah, it says LA meat, but that's considered like the actual city is gonna be, it's like Calabasas-ish, around there. But yeah, we're gonna hit there. I'm pumping E right now. You already know, typical. But yeah, I'll pick up the vlog once we get there because I am running late, like I said. Hey guys, we made it to damn Calabasas. We are here. I don't know why I said it like that with an accent, but we got everyone else back there. Irusha barely pulled up, but he pulled up a little ghetto, not gonna lie. Well, not him necessarily, but his homie pulled up a little ghetto. I don't know where they went though. Ordinary parking lot, right? And then you see this. Imagine you just come for a little bull night and you see this here. Yeah, damn. Arusha, oral farming as always. Look at it. But we made it. We are here in the streets of LA. We have people flying like crazy. This is permitted though. We are in a permitted location, so whatever goes on in here, permitted. C6 right here. My C6. We got Arusha C6. Look at this. We have G80 Lennon here. Freshly back from the shop. He has a front bumper now, carbon. This thing is insane. He has a bumper, the fender. Huge ass Gary. This shit is badass. Oh, I think he just got his headlights done too. This shit's tough. Look. Even his seats. Let me get my flash. Look at that. I've actually sat in this car in the back at Cars and Copters. Bro, somehow I ended up in a fucking gutted out M3. Thank you, bro. Hood carbon, fenders, front bumper, on VLAX. Said what's up to the homie Lennon already. Moises is iced out, bro. Fucking wearing a diamond chain from 7-Eleven. We came in to get some Red Bulls because it's gonna, it's gonna be a long night. We're in there getting our damn Red Bulls. R8 showed up. Nice little R8, a McLaren, and STO. I'm pretty sure, I'm like 100% sure that's Max's. Damn, we all drove all the way out here. Bro, it's like an hour drive to here. We have two half carbon GTR. I think this one's actually full except the doors. And then we have another one over here. They're both wide body and slammed to the damn ground. Rohana wheels. Parked up next to them. What pulled up? Heard us thing from down the street. Sheesh. That shit's got an exhaust on it. Ooh, what's back there? Oh my god. Caddy V? Ferrari? 812? Damn. My car. And Ferrari. I lost you. I lost her for a second. That shit's loud, bro. Like the cops are inside. Oh shit! Fucking Viper. Another Porsche. Like a GT3 991, I believe. Damn, he's pulling in hot. Yeah, he pulled in hot. No fucks given. Where's the Viper though? He couldn't turn here, so he went all the way around. See how long it takes him to come back. Bro, they got the jams playing here. I feel like dancing. DJ's going crazy. With the cops still there too?
At the last meet.
At the last meet? What was the last one? Oh, they had hella, no, with the reggaeton. We have two C8s on this side, and we have a C6 right here, and a Z06. Damn, this looks like Martin's old Z06. RIP. Sold it. Damn. Grand Sport. Damn, bro, where you at? Sheesh. Extended wing. I wonder if this is the one that Angel sold. And I wonder if he just wrapped it. Oh, McLaren. That shit's nice. RX-7 behind it. Not just one RX-7, but you have two RX-7s. Sheesh. That's tough. Oh, they left. They'll be back. No, yeah, they'll be back. They'll be back. Look at this, guys. Wait, where'd he go? There he is. Look at him. I'm dead. Bro, he even has his own goggles. That's funny. G80 Lennon. I need to ride in this thing one day. I want to see what it's like. Did someone on a... That's like... I thought someone drew an inappropriate image right there. That's just a suction cup. Look at this thing. Doors up. Flexing. Nice. I need to hop in another McLaren one day. Oh shit, he has a Maggie in there. Phil, bro, where you at? Bro? Maggie. They're both cam. This one has a drag wing on it. I'm out of here. Underglow on the G80. That's just looking nice. Oh, on the camera looks like orange. It's actually yellow. It's like neon green. Look at this one. A whole crowd for the paint. The whole crowd. You can't two-step this whole. Carbon fenders and the hood, damn. Push it over there. He's not running. Oh, fuck. Oh my god. That shit hurt, bro. Bro, I can feel that in my chest. Oh, fuck. Look what else showed up. C6, CR1. My wheels. Bro, look, what the fuck? A CGT? You have an R8 on BBS's? Oh, I love that color. You have Nick's R8? Damn. Finally pulled up. I was waiting for him to pull up. He's from around the area. Sheesh. Dang, he hasn't washed it. He has not washed that shit. And a damn CGT, bro. Oh my god. I've never seen the CGT on a 90. Oh, he doesn't want to go in because he's scared he won't be able to come out. What's up? Bro, what the fuck? You have a CGT Z06? I think we have reached maximum capacity. Too many people. Too many damn people here. Oh my god, brother. Look at this. There's way too many people. That shit stinks. Like 91. Baby rip, baby rip, baby rip. Look at the orange on this shit. Oh, we got two of them here. Oh, I love the carbon disc on the wheels. That orange is popping. Has an exhaust as well. What the? A Land Defender with an exhaust? What the fuck? Oh, lavish. Oh, bro, everyone is here tonight, bro. Bro, look at all those bikers. Willie, where you at? There's like 10 of them.
BC Boys.
Yeah, where are you? The BC Boys are here. Look, there's another one right there. Bro, this fool's scared. He's scared to ask Finding Nick for a collab, bro. Who's gonna say no to that? Bro.
It's all blurry.
I know. Just ask him. Look, he's literally recording your car.
I gotta let him record.
Bro, Crispy's across the street. You guys see him? He's about to get smacked. Churro's gonna go flying everywhere. The SoCal King of G82 pulled up. Look.
So wild. Oh, it's because it's up there.
Fucking Ray, bro. Damn. That shit's bad. That shit's badass, bro. What's up, Ray? Bro, the CGT's leaving. He's not a big fan of the revving, to be honest. I heard him earlier. That's crazy. Oh. CGT. You have a hypercar. Oh, I just saw the exhaust tips on this McLaren. They don't go up there. They go down there. It's a heart exit. Look at that. It is. That's funny. I don't even peep that. C6 is out with skis. Oh, almost sold. Oh. Huh? No. They told everyone not to rev anymore. What happened? Oh, that's here. Someone called the cops on us. Someone actually called the cops. That's crazy. What? Look at that. Damn, I wish I was over here, bro. I missed out. We just did a fat ass burnout, bro. We're cooked. He's still revving it like an idiot, bro. Bro, where are the cops? And then you have people climbing the fucking pole? For real? Bro, he's burning out again. Someone kicked this guy out. Bro, they're gonna shut this shit down. The cops are being a little lenient too, bro. Look. Oh, another car doing a burnout. Another car, bro. What the fuck?
We're never gonna be able to host here again.
Nope. That's it. That's wraps. We're never gonna be able to host here again.
We're never.
I'm a part of base. No, I'm just kidding. No, I'm just kidding. Base is never gonna be able to host here again. I know. Bro. Yo, you guys. They're trying to say we're at a street takeover.
It takes literally one person to ruin that.
Yeah, it takes one idiot to do this. Look. Come on, bruh. Look. It's literally shaking the water bottle. Oh, the camera's not capturing it, but this thing's like moving. Bro, what the hell is happening? What is that? Bro, I can feel that from all the way over here. Oh my god. Making car alarms go off and shit. Manifesting, huh? I was waiting for you to get your shot.
Alright guys, thank you guys all for joining us tonight. Happy New Year's. Please drive safe. There's a lot of local police on the street. So let's leave respectfully. Leave. Tag us. Thank you guys all for coming out. Tag 7-Eleven. Tag Base Community. We'll see you guys next weekend.
He's iced out.
Drive safe, ladies and gentlemen. Please leave respectfully. Take it easy, guys. Good night. Good night. We'll see you guys on the next one, guys. Have a good night. Thank you.
Cheese. Oh my god. No wonder it's cold.
I know.
No wonder it's cold. Look.
Ice, baby.
Like, Arisha's being interviewed. He got a blue. I don't know what that is. Blue chew? I'm just kidding. Baby revs. Everyone's revving now because event's pretty much over. Music's cut. Everyone's leaving. Got the G80 turned on. So you can see all the heat on the carbon. Bro, my hands are freezing.
They're literally like purple.
Look at
They're red.
the red.
Why are you like this?
I don't know.
Bro,
I'm
you're
cold.
gonna get frostbite.
I'm cold as hell. I just realized the diffuser on this shit. It's pretty nice. Sheesh. Black on this side. That vision car sounds crazy. We came to eat some canes. We left the meat because it got too rowdy, to be honest. I don't know. I don't really like that kind of stuff, but we are, look, the canes is right there and we're next to this gym. If you know about this gym, bro. This gym is like so popular on Twitch, YouTube, and all that. That's freaking hilarious. This is I believe this is the same gym where Ron got smacked in the face.
My fucking hat.
Damn, actually. By Bradley, I mean. That's funny. I have a Rush over there. I don't think they know I'm here yet. Bro, this was car from afar sounds crazy. Look at that shit. God damn. With the gym right there? That shit sounds crazy. Thumbnail right there. Thumbnail for a Rusha. Or a picture. Right there. Bro, we're gonna get kicked out. Bro, we're gonna get kicked out. God. That shit sounds insane. Look at that. That shit looks mean. No. Bro, this guy too. This guy's acting rowdy too. About to get us kicked out. Damn, I didn't get the memo to park on this side. Hey guys, we just finished eating. Got some bomb ass canes. We got Lennon right there with his homie, Arusha, and his homie already dipped. We're still here. It's like 30 to 40 minute drive home. We're gonna call it a day right here. I was gonna go to midnight, but that shit's an hour away and the departure's like in 20 minutes. So I'm not gonna make that, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.